My name is Caitlin. Everyone please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs, elbows, and toes inside the body at all times. Parents, keep an eye on your children. Children, watch your parents. And welcome to the Amazon rainforest. Or as I like to call it, the Amazon rainforest. In case you missed it, now if you look to your right, you will see bamboo. But if you look past the bamboo, you might catch a glimpse of some of the wildlife we have here in the jungle. Isn't that incredible? They are bipedal. But watch out for the small ones, because they can match on to you. They're about 18 to 45 years. Now let's go around. You will see a 500-pound Bengal tiger. They can jump about 30 feet. We're about 15 feet away. Don't worry, he'll jump right over all our heads. Just like all my jokes, and make sure you're feeling a ginger. Careful, ginger snaps. And now we are entering the Indian elephant bathing pool, and it looks like the herd is out today, folks. This is unheard of. And yes, I repeat, yes, you can take pictures. I promise. They all have their trucks on today. Oh, make sure you say hello to my good friend Bertha. Bertha, take nice hello. Showers. Yeah, so she's so really great. Uh-oh, down square. Next up, buddy. Next up, I promise. All right, we're in the clear. Never mind. Duck, 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 duck. Goose. I would never lead you guys in the future. Oh, look at explosion. Let's get closer. That appears on the roof of gorilla. It's not taken over this arena. And it looks like he's got all the shots around there. Oh, they finally got our car's engine material for how nice of them. Now, if you look to your left, my friend, you will see. That's right. Bamboo. When you look to your right, you'll see gorilla reaching for some bananas. Now just double checking. Nobody's wearing yellow today, right? No yellow? So let's go into the front banana. You find super yesterday. Yeah, I did a bunch of those jokes. So I my breath is so beautiful. Gorgeous. White sand falls. Named after our founder, Alberta. Falls. We're now in the Nile River. It goes on the left. And if you don't believe me, well then you're in the Nile. Alright. Bobo, say hello, Bobo. Hello, Bobo. Louder. Thank you, Bobo. You know, I trained it myself. Now we're entering the African mountains of the world's greatest creatures, including canoes, zebras, ducks, and those tigers. In the back there that I'm pretty sure is called bamboo. Oh, look at that nice red lion taking care of that. Dead giant snowstorm. Uh-oh. Felix! What are you doing? Where's your phone? That, my friend, is all you oh, here. No, I told him not to get into an argument with that rhino, but that's the point. Yeah. I also think I just found out what happened was about. Not to worry. If I remember correctly, my ears are one bubble. Just because they're really excited to see us. I'm going to fire 2 warning shots. Please cover your ears. I just said, oh, you're nice. You're welcome. Thank you. Believe it or not, some people say my job is so easy. What y'all say? Those are clearly angles, and I would tell you the difference, but it's a long tail. Now we are past the know. The ninth wonder of the world. Are you guys ready? Ready? One more time. Ready? Yeah. Is the front center up? Yeah, it's one of our bolder attractions. Now, anyone at all, take your glasses to one time in pantry. It's cold. Anaconda, that's a very good guess, but no. He is cold. Bamboo. And I know what you're all thinking. Why? Oh, why did we leave the lunches in charge of the shop? Well, I'm here to tell you. We didn't. The elephant's in charge. Her name is Elephant Green, our manager. Here's how we say hi. Oh, I just in case you're wondering if that's what they're coming down over now. We are now returning to civilization, my friends. Let me remind you. So please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, and legs, elbows, toes, together at all times until we come to full and complete stop. As that done, we want you basically peer pressure. Now I'm just curious. Raise your hands if you've ever experienced peer pressure in your life. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. All of you should be raising your hands right now. That's peer pressure.